Guess what? I just had a sip of iced matcha latte from Starbucks. Yes, you heard it right. The matcha latte. What is this matcha is all about, which is gaining so much popularity in youth? Do you also want to know what is this matcha trend is all about that is gaining so much popularity? This matcha recipes, all the matcha ice cream, matcha crepe, matcha pudding, and matcha tea, of course. Now the Starbucks has launched the matcha latte. So what is this and what are the benefits, why it is gaining so much popularity, why it is getting so much famous? Let us know with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such informative videos and trend. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, to know that it is the famous beverage of Japan. जो matcha tea है is basically derived, extracted from the plant leaf, just like green tea. But you know why it has caught everyone's eyes is because इसमें antioxidants बहुत ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं. समझो आप, it's is comparison to green tea, इसके पास 150 times ज़्यादा antioxidants पाए जाते हैं in this matcha leaf. And since इसमें caffeine बहुत ज़्यादा concentrated amount में है, so it gets better option for those who are addicted to caffeine options like tea and coffee, who want to cut down the coffee and tea part and switch to healthier option of caffeine, which is this matcha tea. But you know what is the best part about matcha is that it can be consumed as tea and also can be consumed as the smoothie. So yeah, unlike this usual tea which can also only be used as green hot tea, and this matcha can be used to make ice creams like cream and smoothies, and also latte, iced latte, green tea जैसे hot tea के जैसा भी सब कर सकते हो. It can be hot beverage also. So yes, these are the varieties that you can make with matcha with its so much of health benefit. The matcha is not only restricted to this, you can also apply it on your face for glowing skin also. This mask and very much products are also there that is launching matcha as its main content, because it has benefits for in skin and hair. You know what, in Japan it is also famous for killing the breast cancer cells. This matcha helps to kill the cancerous cells also. Since matcha tea is made entirely from the leaf, it is converted into powder form. It has all the benefits of the leaf, all the polyphenols in it is extracted and is made in the powder form. So when you consume matcha tea or any matcha recipes which you like to, gives you the dietary fibers also. Metabolism is this matcha tea which has lots of antioxidant in it. Matcha got a perfect combo of L-theanine acid and caffeine, which help keep you focused and relaxed at the same time. Unlike tea and coffee which you use regularly, this matcha helps to keep your heart healthy because it has low level of bad cholesterol. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go grab some iced latte.